Here today I wanted to show you unboxing of this 4-inch LED light bar from OEDRO. So this is the package it comes in. So inside it comes in these styrofoam padding. So this is the light bar itself. It does have 3 rows of LED lights. Try to shoot them later at night so you can see how bright they actually are. We have the branding here on the side. This particular model mounts from the bracket down here. Mounts like this, and then you can slide it back and forth. It's all metal construction, except the front. That's some kind of plastic. On the side we have the 2 wires. We have the positive and the negative. Let me show you some measurements of the actual light so you can see how it's going to come out. So it's at about 3 3/4. Height wise we are at 3 inches, and with the bracket you're at 3 1/4. And then depth wise from the top we're at about 2 1/2. So that's the measurements of the actual light. And then also included in the package is the bottom bracket. Oh, it's not the bracket. No, it's just a screw. So this is the bracket. You have to unscrew it, and then this screw bolts down or up like this into whatever you're mounting it to. So you got to take this off first, and then the screw, and then you put this back on. And then, oh, it also has you can not only slide it side to side, but it also goes up and down by unscrewing the screw here. That's pretty much it. Quick unboxing of this 4-inch 3-row cube light.